Welcome to science class. This is the continuation class of matter around us. In this class, we learn about chemical symbol, chemical formula and atomicity of the molecule and compound. Chemical symbol is a short representing of chemical element. A symbol is an abbreviation or short representation of a chemical element. There is a unique symbol for each element. It represents one atom of the element. This chemical symbol is usually derived from the name of the element, which is either in English or Latin. These symbols are allocated by the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, IUPAC. Dalton was the first scientist to use the symbols for elements in a very specific sense. When he used a symbol for an element, he also meant a definite quantity of that element, that is, one atom of that element. The symbols proposed by Dalton. The symbols of some element proposed by Dalton: hydrogen, carbon, oxygen, phosphorus, sulfur, iron, copper, lead, silver, gold, platinum and mercury. Berzelius suggested that the symbols of elements be made from one or two letters of the name of the element. Some rules are followed while assigning symbol to an element. Chemical symbols usually consist of one or two letters. The symbols of most elements correspond to the first letter of their English name. Hydrogen, symbol H. Fluorine, F. Oxygen, O. Carbon, C. Phosphorus, P. Sulfur, S. Potassium, K. Uranium, U. When there is more than one element that begins with the same letter, their symbols take two letters. The first letter is capitalized while the second letter has a lowercase, that is small letter. For example, aluminium, Al, argon, Ar, arsenic, As, barium, Ba, nickel, Ni, bromine, Br, chromium, Cr, cobalt, Co, helium, He, magnesium, Mg, calcium, Ca, chlorine, Cl. The symbols for some elements are derived from their Latin names. The symbol for gold is Au, which is derived from its Latin name aurum. The symbols of copper is Cu, which is derived from its Latin name cuprum. Copper, its Latin name cuprum, symbol Cu. Lead, plumbum, Pb. Potassium, kalium, K. Iron, ferrum, Fe. Mercury, hydrogyrum, Hg. Sodium, natrium, Na. Next, we learn about chemical formula. Chemical formula gives the information about the number of atoms of an element in a compound. A chemical formula is a symbolic representation of one molecule of an element or a compound. It provides the information about the elements present in the molecule and the number of atoms of each element. So chemical formula provides information about the elements present in the molecule and number of atom of each element. For example, water molecule. H2O is the chemical formula of water molecule. Each molecule of water has 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen atom. The chemical formula of water H2O tells us the types of atom and the number of each type of atom in one molecule. H2O. The small number besides the hydrogen symbol, H symbol, is called subscript. It tells us the number of atoms that element present in the molecule. So, there are 2 hydrogen atoms present in water molecule. When there is no number of besides oxygen symbol, that means that there is only one oxygen atom of that element present in the molecule. So, it means there is only one oxygen atom present in the water molecule. Sodium chloride. Similarly, sodium chloride molecular formula NaCl. One atom of sodium and one atom of chlorine are present in sodium chloride compound. Ammonia. In ammonia, one atom of nitrogen and 3 hydrogen atoms are present in ammonia molecule. Glucose. Molecular formula C6H12O6. In glucose molecule, 6 carbon atoms, 12 hydrogen atoms and 6 oxygen atoms are present. Next, we learn about atomicity. So, atomicity is defined as the total number of atoms present in one molecule of an element or compound or a substance. Atomicity is defined as the total number of atoms present in one molecule of an element, compound or a substance. For example, oxygen exists as a diatomic molecule. That means a molecule of oxygen atom contains 2 atoms. Hence, its atomicity is 2. Oxygen atom combines with oxygen atom produces oxygen molecule O2. A phosphorus molecule contains 4 phosphorus atoms. A sulfur molecule contains 8 sulfur atoms. So, the atomicity of phosphorus is 4 and sulfur is 8. For molecule containing more than one type of atoms, simply count the number of each atom, that would be its atomicity. For example, sulfuric acid. Molecular formula of sulfuric acid is H2SO4. Atomicity of H2SO4 sulfuric acid equal to 2 hydrogen atom plus 1 sulfur atom plus 4 oxygen atom. Totally 7 atoms are present in sulfuric acid molecule. So, atomicity of sulfuric acid is 7. In water molecule, the molecular formula of water is H2O. Atomicity of water molecule equal to 2 hydrogen atom plus 1 oxygen atom equal to 3. So, water molecule is a triatomic molecule. Atomicity of water molecule is 3. Students, I hope you have understood the chemical symbol, chemical formula and atomicity of the molecule and compound. Thank you.